actually living off my sugar daddy. He was busy making money and I was busy making memories. Oh my god. Wow. Hi people, welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the Reabold Park. It's 2 p.m. right now and it's Sunday, so why not take a walk? So yeah, me, my husband and few of our friends are here together, but I think they are a little bit ahead of us. Reabold Park is quite massive. It has like around 437 hectares and it is located in the city beach suburb in Perth. Say hi.
Hello.
Let's just say hi. Let's go interview two of my friends up there. Woo! Dechen, Atta, say hi. Yeah, Atta, hi.
This is not a dog exercise area. Not allowed. You can hear it.
Yes, dogs are not allowed here. But I think restraint on the lead.
Wait,
Okay. It took me a little bit of time because I was figuring out how to best use of this camera, because I recently bought this new camera and I'm not very familiar with the features in it, so yeah. Wow. 산직 성마다 됐다.
Kemudian tentu selalu mawa campur mawa apa kalau?
뒷편에 어디냐? 너무 그래, 데리면.
Enggak tuh, dia dekat itu. Kasih wajah namanya.
No.
Cot. Minang. Okay.
No.
Dabra diet out like one. Why, how much diet on there? Dabra diet on the shop.
So we walked and then we reached here. I don't know what this place is, but now I think we are heading off to Camel Lake Heritage Trail. Let's go. Wow.
Oh, paling kurang dulu. Allah hamdulillah. Hangolek teras. Hangolek. Simma
Rang health thing rang no invest alike. Mangi passing dele. Nan invest am. Este biomi mangi. So
Esse veio aqui lá com ele, ó. Ele é?
Bioni. Jevina. Nanti hiç kira malana este.
Havada?
azimlami kita. Ini pun belum ikut malah.
Azim ramai. Asip oldu lan benim yanım.
Dinosaur of the plant world. Look at it.
Macrozamia.
That's scientific name there.
Macrozamia.
Yes. Macrozamia. Yes. This is it. Dinosaur of the plant world. Dinosaur of the plant world. Yo, I'm so happy with the new camera, with the new environment, with the new husband. We are compatible because we have similar interests. Yeah. Of course, our characters are completely different. Attitudes. What else? Like he is simple and what else? Introvert and not.
And she's exact opposite.
Yeah, I'm the exact opposite. I'm the troublemaker.
I am
what else?
Trouble solver.
Solver. And I'm very, very talkative. If you want a friend who you want to talk, come to me.
언딩하기 레코드 했네. 나도 센스가 로다 입지 숨지 존이 배도. 클럽 날로 카메라 막겠어. 존이 배우더라 조금만 아니 단지 레코드 리스네.
Yeah, me too. I'm not a party girl. I'm not a party goal. I like exploring these type of places. Yeah, wilderness. I like wilderness. Yeah. Oh, wow. So calm and kind of like relieving. But nga di atara relief na inte. Because I work only 4 days a week. And I'm actually living off my sugar daddy. Anyway. So beside the walking trails, they also have a park nearby where you can hang out with your family, friends, or bring your children to play, as they have also got playground. So let me show you. So yeah, that's a perfect spot for family hangout or weekend hangout. It's getting chilly now. Oh my gosh, look at it. 자, Natasha style, Debbie style. Este. Tem gostar? Alright, so now we are going to the Reabold Hill scenic walk. I don't know, my husband says there is a staircase where we can have a beautiful view. So yeah, we are going up to check it out. I think we covered almost all the places in this Bold Park. Just a bit though, not every nooks and corners, because we actually are late to come here because it was last minute plan. And yeah, it's getting dark, so we better hurry before the dusk arrive. Wow, I like this tree. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay. Wow. Katataru churatome sungihile churatame. We are not at the staircase yet, but I think the view is nice from here. We can see the city view. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Natingi malani shuni zaminda kadang shuna pitirane. Natingi malanda. Tero just bega chashi samchaloro. Tero just yo. I'm good at spanning. No. Finally, we're here at the Reabold Hill summit. Finally, I think we almost walked like around maybe 15 to 20 minutes. I did not keep track of time, but I think it was like around 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, look at it. Nice entrance.
Reabold Hill and shoulder.
Reabold Hill, yeah. Wow. Good. Wow. Australia, quite nice, huh? See here, inclusive of all people who also have like wheelchair access. It's developed, the country is developed, yeah. Oh, actually we are supposed to have the Rottnest Island view, but I think the weather is not favoring us, and with all those tall trees, yeah, we can't see. But it's not a loss, because I have been to Rottnest Island, but this poor man, he couldn't, right?
I don't mind.
Because he was busy making money and I was busy making memories. I think that's the end of our today's trail walk. And yeah, one thing, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe. And there's lots of interesting fun things, fun moments, beautiful places that I'm yet to uncover for you. And yeah, now we are going off to I don't know where we are going, we haven't decided yet, but some of my friends, they decided that we go to a Pizza Hut because we are fed up of having Bhutanese meals every day. So yeah, we are going off to have pizza dinner today. We changed our venue, so here we are. Little Magic Momo dumpling. Let's go inside. This is my second time actually. Wow, so cute. Oh my god, look at it, cute. Hi. So, these are their menu in bed. So these are our starters. Pani puri, let's go. Anna. Make a hole like this and put some potato mashed potato, jokbang, and some sauce in it. I think I need a bit more. And nice. Yeah. Tap terus Zaina. 1, 2, 3, yeah. How is it? Good? So we finally got our drinks. Mine is sweet lassi. My husband's is it pineapple, baby? Pineapple? And then sweet lassi, same. Cheers. 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 Nice, nice. Food is here. Oh wow. That's mine. Wow, this is mine. Oh my gosh, that's too much. Wow, yours look nicer. Wow, what's this? What's this? What's the
Khaja set.
khaja set, vegetarian khaja set, and then this is pork thali, and then this is fish thali. Is it fish? Fish. And then I got myself paneer tukpa, paneer noodle, because I'm not a very big fan of like those masalas, so I usually don't eat much of those food. So yeah, today I'm having this tukpa. Sauna.
Very nice, very delicious.
Hi people, we are done with our dinner and finally heading home. So before I really end this vlog, let me give you a little tips. If you want to come here, the Little Magic Momo, it's located in Osborne Park, and if you really want to come here, you better reserve the table before you come, because it's quite busy here. I think they're selling quite good, the restaurant. So yeah, thank you for watching, thank you for being with me today, and have a good night. Bye bye lovelies.